Looking to buy a home? What about building your very own custom home? Are you worried the process will be too difficult or time-consuming? You may want to think again. Covenant Builders is a custom modular home builder that provides services in Northwest Ohio, Southeast Michigan, and Northeast Indiana. We offer a wide variety of floor plans, including ranch, Cape Cod, vacation, and two-story homes. If you're looking for something unique, we also provide custom designs that are cutting edge in the modular homes industry. Our homes are built in a climate-controlled environment where materials are never exposed to outdoor elements. This allows us to deliver your dream home on time and within budget at a vastly accelerated rate compared to traditional builders. At Covenant Builders, we are committed to providing our customers with exceptional homes. If you're interested in more information, we'd love to connect with you and answer all your questions. Please contact us through our website at covenantbuilders.us or over the phone at 419-485-4455.